Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kids Point by Sakshi Mankotia. I hope you all are fine and this new year brings lot of opportunities to you. So, before starting the video, please click on the red subscribe button for subscribing my channel. So, let's start this interesting video. First of all, I tell you that this video is of chapter 4 Agriculture Geography class 10th. In this video, I give some notes and important questions which are always come on boards. So please read and learn this question carefully. Thank you. Now let's start this video. Okay. So guys, agriculture is divided into three parts: cropping pattern, types of farming and reforms. First of all, cropping pattern. Kharif crops, Rabi crops and Zaid crops. I will tell this all three crops in detail with examples. Okay students? Now next is types of farming. Primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and last one is commercial farming. These all are types of farming, and once again I tell you that I will tell this all in detail. Next one is reform. First reform is use of water pumps. Second, abolition of zamindari system. Now last is loan of farmers. So let's discuss all these things in detail. First of all, subsistence farming and commercial farming. Students, subsistence farming is done on small piece of land and commercial farming is done on large scale of land. Second point, farming depends on irrigation, and commercial farming, second point, is irrigation facilities are always available. In subsistence farming they use old tools, and commercial farming they use modern technology. In subsistence farming production is low and on other side production is high. Last fifth point, no fertilizer is being used. Another side chemical fertilizers are always used. In subsistence farming, family members provide labor. On other side, laborers are always hired on large scale. Then only cereal and food crops are grown. Other side commercial crops are grown. So please learn this difference carefully as it always comes on board of 3 to 4 marks. Second one is primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Primitive is done on small piece of land, other side it is done on bigger lands. Old tools are used in primitive, new tools are used in intensive farming. Then this is depend on natural fertility of soil. On other side it is depend on the chemical fertilizers are being used. Okay, it is as similar as we have done earlier. Okay, so please read these points very carefully as it always come of 2 to 3 marks in boards. Now we discuss these three crops. First of all, I tell you main points about Rabi crops. Rabi crops are grown on winter season. Second point, they are sown on October to December. Third point, they are harvested from April to June. Where you can write examples like peas, gram and mustard are grown on Rabi season. Next, Kharif crops. First point, wet summer cropping season is called Kharif season. It is grown on monsoon in June, harvested in September to October. Now fourth point, you can write examples like maize, jowar, bajra are grown on Kharif season. Next one is Zaid crops. It is dry summer cropping season known as Zaid. They are grown between Rabi and Kharif season, harvested in summer months like March to May. Crops are grown as watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Now read this difference carefully. Next one you can say here, that is sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee. I give some important. In this flowchart I explain each and everything like temperature, rainfall, soil, etc. So read this point carefully as it is very important. Always sugarcane, oilseeds, tea or coffee, anyone is come in exam of 2 marks or 1 marks in MCQ. So read this it very carefully. Next one is rice, wheat, millets and maize pulse. Rice, wheat and bajra, these three are very important as it always come of 3 to 4 marks in boards. So please learn at least 4 points so that you can score all 4 marks. Okay, read this flow chart very carefully. So now there is some important questions of chapter agriculture. These 7 questions are very important. First question is, discuss different types of farming methods. You have learned primitive intensive, subsistence intensive, commercial farming. So this is the answer of question 1. Question 2, write the difference between primitive subsistence farming and commercial farming. This answer is given on notes. Okay. Next, third question, discuss the characteristics of subsistence agriculture and its example. Same, this is the answer given in notes in difference. So let's check there. Question 4, discuss the characteristics of commercial agriculture. So answer is, commercial agriculture is done on large piece of land, many laborers are hired, use of modern technology, use of many new fertilizers. These all are characteristics of commercial agriculture. Next, question 5, how many agricultural seasons are observed in India and discuss them. So agricultural seasons are Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. Write it all in points detail. Question 6, discuss the production and distribution of rice, wheat, pulses and millets in India. This is given in the flow chart. Please, I said you earlier also, learn that flow chart very carefully as it is very simple. Now last question is, why is tea and coffee called plantation agriculture, where India and tea coffee grown? So you can check this answer in a flow chart. This flow chart I have made it very easy so that you can grasp that all points easily. Okay, and tea and coffee are also called beverage crops, so don't forget it, as these questions, 7 questions are very important as it come in 2021 boards. So please students, learn these questions. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of doubt, please ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you guys once again. Thank you and happy new year. Best of luck for your boards.